Hello guys, welcome to Trade with Bharat. Today we'll be talking about Astral microwave product. Is one of the leading designer and manufacturer of high quality microwave modules and substation in India. So as you can see, this is a daily time frame of the stock. So previously this stock. As you can see, previously this stock, whenever it has broken its previous high, it has retested its support and then bounced from that level. So there are multiple examples of that happening in this stock. Here also you can see it has once it's broken its resistance, it has come back to support for next wave movement. So right now the stock uh, has broken its 52-week high that we'll be checking on weekly time frame. As you can see on weekly time frame, this stock has you know facing resistance at this level, and the stock has uh, broken this resistance with huge volume as well as price momentum, and now have retested its support zone at level of 300 rupees. So it seems to be a good opportunity to enter at this stock for a swing trading opportunity. For that, I'll be drawing a Fibonacci retracement. So as you can just see, the stock is at level of 320 rupees, and it's a good buying opportunity to have a long position for target of 425 with a stop loss of 275. It's a good 1 is to 2.5 is to reward ratio, and that is it for today. Guys, if you like the analysis on Astro Microwave, then do check out the analysis on my channel. Thank you so much.